Chapter 7 Question and Answer Form પ્રશ્ન અને જવાબના રૂપ
Chapter 7 Question and Answer Form.
Question form of to be શુંના પ્રશ્નાર્થ રૂપ
Question form of to be.
Present tense, past tense, future tense. Am I? Was I? Shall I be?
Am I? Was I? Shall I be?
Are we? Were we? Shall we be?
Are we? Were we? Shall we be?
Are you? Were you? Will you be?
Are you? Were you? Will you be?
Is he? Was he? Will he be?
Is he? Was he? Will he be?
Are they? Were they? Will they be?
Are they? Were they? Will they be?
Present tense, वर्तमान काल, question and answer form to be.
Present tense, question and answer form to be.
Am I an Indian? હું ભારતીય છું.
Am I an Indian?
Yes, હા.
Yes.
Or yes, I am an Indian. હા, હું ભારતીય છું.
Or yes, I am an Indian.
No, ના.
No.
No, I am not British either. ના, હું બ્રિટિશ પણ નથી.
No, I am not British either.
Are we Indians? આપણે ભારતીય છીએ?
Are we Indians?
Yes, we are Indians. હા, આપણે ભારતીય છીએ.
Yes, we are Indians.
We are not Americans. આપણે અમેરિકન નથી.
We are not Americans.
Are you a student? તું વિદ્યાર્થી છું?
Are you a student?
I am a student. હું વિદ્યાર્થી છું.
I am a student.
I am not a teacher. હું શિક્ષક નથી.
I am not a teacher.
Is ગણપત intelligent? ગણપત બુદ્ધિશાળી છે?
Is Ganpat intelligent?
Yes, he is. હા, તે છે.
Yes, he is.
He thinks he is, but he is not. તે માને છે કે તે છે, પણ તે છે નહીં.
He thinks he is, but he is not.
Is Ratna your friend? રત્ના તમારી મિત્ર છે?
Is Ratna your friend?
Yes, but she is more like my sister. હા, પણ તે મારી બહેન જેવી વધારે છે.
Yes, but she is more like my sister.
No, we have just met and I hardly know her. ના, અમે હમણાં જ મળ્યા છીએ અને હું તેને ખાસ જાણતો નથી.
No, we have just met and I hardly know her.
Is it a lion? તે સિંહ છે?
Is it a lion?
Yes, it is a lion. હા, તે સિંહ છે.
Yes, it is a lion.
It is not a lion. તે સિંહ નથી.
It is not a lion.
Are they engineers? તેઓ engineers છે?
Are they engineers?
Some are, but not all. કેટલાક છે, પણ બધા નહીં.
Some are, but not all.
They are not engineers, they are technicians. તેઓ engineers નથી, તેઓ technicians છે.
They are not engineers, they are technicians.
Past tense, ભૂતકાળ, question and answer form to be.
Past tense, question and answer form to be.
Was I right? હું સાચો હતો?
Was I right?
Yes, I was right. હા, હું સાચો હતો.
Yes, I was right.
No, I was not right. ના, હું સાચો ન હતો.
No, I was not right.
Were we at home? આપણે ઘરે હતા?
Were we at home?
We were at home. આપણે ઘરે હતા.
We were at home.
We were not at home. આપણે ઘરે ન હતા.
We were not at home.
Were you right in your decision to leave America? તમે તમારા અમેરિકા છોડવાના નિર્ણયમાં સાચા હતા?
Were you right in your decision to leave America?
Yes, I think I was right. હા, હું માનું છું કે હું સાચો હતો.
Yes, I think I was right.
I would never be sure that I was right. હું ક્યારેય ખાતરીથી એવું નહીં કહી શકું કે હું સાચો હતો.
I would never be sure that I was right.
Was he not well? તે મજામાં ન હતો?
Was he not well?
He was well. તે મજામાં હતો.
He was well.
He was not well at all. તે બિલકુલ મજામાં ન હતો.
He was not well at all.
Was Rama a cricketer? રમા ક્રિકેટર હતી?
Was Rama a cricketer?
She was a cricketer. તે ક્રિકેટર હતી.
She was a cricketer.
No, she was not. તે ન હતી.
No, she was not.
Was that cat your pet? પેલી બિલ્લી તમારી પાળેલી હતી?
Was that cat your pet?
Yes, it was my pet. હા, તે મારી પાળેલી હતી.
Yes, it was my pet.
No, I never had a cat. ના, મારી પાસે ક્યારેય બિલ્લી ન હતી.
No, I never had a cat.
Were they good people? તેઓ સારા લોકો હતા.
Were they good people?
They were good people. તેઓ સારા લોકો હતા.
They were good people.
They were not bad at all. તેઓ જરાય ખોટા ન હતા.
They were not bad at all.
Future tense, ભવિષ્યકાળ, question and answer form to be.
Future tense, question and answer form to be.
Shall I be there? હું ત્યાં હોઈશ.
Shall I be there?
I shall be there. હું ત્યાં હોઈશ.
I shall be there.
I shall not be there. હું ત્યાં નહીં હોઉં.
I shall not be there.
Shall we be lucky next time? આપણે આગલી વખતે નસીબદાર હોઈશું.
Shall we be lucky next time?
We shall be lucky next time. આપણે આગલી વખતે નસીબદાર હોઈશું.
We shall be lucky next time.
We shall not be. આપણે નહીં હોઈએ.
We shall not be.
Will you be in Abu next year? તમે આવતા વર્ષે આબુમાં હશો?
Will you be in Abu next year?
I will definitely try to be in Abu next year. હું જરૂરથી આવતા વર્ષે આબુમાં આવવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીશ.
I will definitely try to be in Abu next year.
No, I cannot, as I will be busy with my tournament. ના, હું નહીં હોઉં, કારણ કે હું મારી ટુર્નામેન્ટને લઈ વ્યસ્ત હોઈશ.
No, I cannot, as I will be busy with my tournament.
Will Roshan be there at the wedding? Roshan લગ્નમાં હશે?
Will Roshan be there at the wedding?
He sure will be there. તે જરૂર ત્યાં હશે.
He sure will be there.
I doubt it. મને શંકા છે.
I doubt it.
Will she be the captain of the kabaddi team? તે કબડ્ડી ટીમની કેપ્ટન હશે?
Will she be the captain of the kabaddi team?
She will be the captain of the kabaddi team. તે કબડ્ડી ટીમની કેપ્ટન હશે.
She will be the captain of the kabaddi team.
No way. She will not be the captain of the kabaddi team. ના, બિલકુલ નહીં. તે કબડ્ડી ટીમની કેપ્ટન નહીં હોય.
No way. She will not be the captain of the kabaddi team.
Will the new dog be a part of the family? પેલો નવો કૂતરો કુટુંબનો સભ્ય બનશે?
Will the new dog be a part of the family?
Yes, he will be. હા, તે બનશે.
Yes, he will be.
Not likely, but who knows? લાગતું નથી, પણ કોને ખબર?
Not likely, but who knows?
Will they be clever people? તેઓ હોશિયાર લોકો હશે?
Will they be clever people?
Most likely they will be. મોટા ભાગે તેઓ હશે.
Most likely they will be.
I don't know. મને ખબર નથી.
I don't know.